Hello everyone out there, and yes, here I am again. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, since it's 2 days before the Eid or Bakra Eid, I am going, or we are going to the market or bazaar to buy some clothes to celebrate the Eid. And I'm gonna show you what are the things that we can see in that bazaar near in our place here in Karachi City. See you guys. I am going with my sister-in-law, and it's very hot nowadays in Karachi. We are using rickshaw. This is a common public transport here in Karachi City, and it's near to us. It's just 10 minutes or less than that. We are now here in Bazaar, and they called it KDA Market or Bazaar. Actually, they don't call market the market. They call it usually Bazaar. So as you can see, there's no much people yet, and this store is selling dubattas. There are beautiful dubattas here. This kind of frocks or dress is commonly used by those Baluchi people or Pathan. Here you can see also frocks or dresses for kids and shoes. Look at their shoes. There's a lot of shoes. At this time, there's no much people yet because it's just 2 p.m. But later at around 5, 6 to 12 midnight, there will be no place at all. There's a lot of people coming out from their house to shop. So here you can see all the kind of dresses. These are all mostly local made. They are far cheaper than those branded dresses. Some are nice and some are not good. It's up to you to choose which one do you want. But it's very rare that you can find, of course, the nice one. But the designs and the colors are very nice. And some are soft, good for daily use or home. And also, they have fancy dresses for parties as well, just like this for the kids. It's very nice. Look how fancy they are and beautiful as well. This girl is asking me to get a video for her. She's actually selling something for a living, but she's pretty as well. This store you can see a lot of the shoes and everything in here. As you know, Pakistani women loves bangles. It's a part of their living, and these are so beautiful bangles. You see that they are actually colorful and shiny, very fancy and beautiful, of course. And this man is allowing me to take the video. That's good. I think he knows that I am having YouTube channel. That's why he allows me to take the video. So for those who are coming and buying things here in KDA Market, if you want to buy bangles, you can visit this store. On one side, things are really pretty. These stores are selling undies, so if you want to buy undies, also is available here in KDE Market. Inside of this market, you can see these lines of tailors. They are actually selling multiple laces, beads, and linings, and they are stitching mostly the dubatas. In this side, you can see this beautiful shoes for kids and adults, and these are jewelries, and yeah, it's shoes again. Right? Dubatas are very important here for women. This is part of their cultural dresses. The matching of the colors and the styles of the dubata is one of the most important thing on the dressing or dresses of Pakistani women. Of course, the jewelries as well. Jewelry is an important thing also on Pakistani women's dressing. The combination, the style, and the color must match also to the dress that they are going to wear, especially in the party. These are shoes. They are local made and they are mostly looks like fancy and they are good for party. They also have these ponies for kids or for women, and clips. They are beautiful as well. So here for kids, and of course jewelry again. They are fancy, but I am telling you guys, they are so beautiful and nice kind of fancies. And there are the shoes, flat shoes, and I'm sorry, but it doesn't look very nice in the picture, but they are beautiful in real. And yeah, these are again dubatas. And as I said on my previous videos, most of the people who are selling or setting on the stores here are men. Women are not sitting on the store unless it is a private store or branded stores that they could sit or stay safely. Then they are hiring women. But in the public market like this, women are not staying on the store or working on the store. As we know, Pakistan is a Muslim country, though it might not be applied in other countries because there are lots of countries or Muslim countries that women are also sitting on the stores, like in the Philippines. But here, guys, they are not. They can stay, but it should be on the malls or the safe place. So here are you can see these fabrics. There's a lot of beautiful fabrics here. Okay, ask me if this place is safe. Yes, I can say it's safe, but you have to still very careful, especially with your valuable things because it's a public market. It is given that since this is a public market, it means all the kind of people are here. You have to be very vigilant or be careful with your things or with yourself. But here in Pakistan, if you want to come in this kind of market, you have to come early at around 2 p.m. Here in Karachi, most of the stores are opening at around 1 p.m. So it's better to come here at around 2 or 3 p.m. So there is no much rush and there's no much people or not crowded. Because if you will come around 6 to 12 midnight, then it will be so crowded and there's a lot of people. People here are, especially the women, are buying things at night. It might be because it's not hot. This is all for today, guys, and I hope that you enjoy or you like my video. And if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We are home, and thank you. Have a great day. See you on my next video. Bye.